Hi guys, in this video I am going to talk about Bayes rule. So when this Bayes rule is used, you can say Bayes rule is also a conditional probability. Like when one particular event occurred, suppose event A occurred, then event B occurred, then you can say what is the probability that event B will occur such that event A has already occurred. So Bayes rule is used when a condition is given which is based on another condition. Bayes rule is derived from product rule. Product rule can be written as probability of A and B can be written as probability such that A occurs when B have occurred into probability of B. Probability A and B can also be written as probability B has occurred when A has occurred into probability of A. Comparing these two equations, we will get probability when B occurs when A has already occurred can be written as P A by B into P B denominator P A. So this is called as Bayes theorem. We can understand this Bayes rule with the help of an example. Suppose there is a match between India and Australia. If India wins the toss, suppose India wins the toss 70% chances, then India will win the match. The chances will be 80%, or you can say probability that India will win the toss is 70% and probability that India will lose the toss is 30%. If India wins the toss, then 80% probability is there that India will win the match and 20% probability is there that India will lose. If India lose the toss, that is 30%, then 30% probability is there that India will win and 70% probabilities that India will lose. So if we want to find out what is the probability that India wins the match such that India has won the toss, then we can write it as probability that India wins the match such that India has won the toss. This can be written as 80% into 70%, and that will be 56%. Now if you this is easy because we can say India wins the match, that is 80% chances that India will win the match when India has won the toss. But suppose I say India has won the match. Now I have to find what is the probability that India will won the toss, or that what is the probability that India has win the toss. Then for such problem I can write as probability that India will win the toss. This is 80% chances that India will win the toss, India will win the match, and 30% chances is that India will win the match when India loses the toss. So we can write is that we know that India has won the match. Then what is the probability that India will win the toss? That will be 70% into 80% upon, we know that India has win the match. So what are the condition when India will win the match? 70% into 80% plus when India loses the toss, then also in the 30% chance is that India wins the match. Then 30% into 30%. So this we have derived from this Bayes rule, or you can say we have used this Bayes rule for using the answer. So when this Bayes rule is used, when there is a conditional probability, when one particular event has occurred, that India has won the toss. Now what is the probability that India will win the match? Probability that India has won the toss is 70% and probability that India will now win the match is 80%. So now we can say what is the probability when India wins the match, when India won the toss. That is 80 into 70, that is 56%. Thank you.